Welcome everyone to another Lockpicking Central video. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. And today we have my practice lock from Sparrows Lockpicks. So here is the actual lock. It is a practice lock because it has this cutaway here. This one is standard pins. So here's our keyway. There's their nice Sparrows Lockpicking logo. And here is the back of the lock, which could be, if it was attached to a regular lock, it would have a tail here to unlock your door or your deadbolt, but instead it just has this pin that you press down here and this wouldn't come off. You would need tools to do that. We're not going to be doing that today, but that's the lock itself. And then here is the barrel key. It's kind of cool. It fits in there just like so and spins around and it wouldn't unlock if it was attached to something. Kind of cool. It's got the Sparrow logo there, something different. Sorry about that. So we're going to use a Z-bar tension wrench today. We're going to use the large end, and I believe this one is in 25 thousandths. All right, so I'm going to show you the front of the keyway while I'm putting these guys in here, and then we're going to flip over so you can see the pins. All right, so we're going to put bottom of the keyway tension in here. We're going to slide this guy all the way in to the back, position him. All right, and this lock does not like a lot of tension, so we are going to apply light tension, and we are going to use the standard pick, and I believe this one is in 20 thousandths. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start from the front this time instead of the back with this particular lock. So it looks like one is binding, so let's get one set, binding tightly. There we go, we got one, and two is loose, and 3 is loose, and 4 is binding tightly, and there we go. We have the lock open. So let's do that one more time for you so you can see that it's not just a fluke. So let's see, 1 is binding tightly. Nope, that's 2. There's 1. 1 is binding very tightly. That is clicked in place. 2 is loose, and 3 is loose, and number 4 is binding tightly. And pull our pick out. There we go. We have got that open. So that is the basic of lock picking with this cutaway lock. And these are standard pins. We also have ones just like this, the same company, but they are in serrated pins. And I also have spool pins. That will be in a later video. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this. And if you did, leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you have a good day. Catch you in the next video.